Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Electron.js video tutorial, we will learn that how we can make auto reload our main process. So first of all, we will understand that why we need it, and after that, we will install our Node Moon package. You might be familiar with the Node Moon package if you ever work with the Node.js. If you are not familiar, then don't worry, we will learn it from a scratch. So there is a not kind of rocket science. And after that, we will add a new script inside package.json, and we will test our output with the new command line, and we will check that our main process is auto reloading or not. And after that, we will talk about render process, so how we can reload our render process. If you don't know, if you know, then that's great. And this is my Instagram account if you just want to join me there, and you can ask me some question if you have any query and all in comment box as well as on Instagram account also. So now let's get started. So first of all, as you can see that we have a main.js file, and this is our main process. We can have more file in our main process when we have a large project, but for now we have only two files, one for main process, which is main.js, and for render process we have index.js, right? So now let's start it with the npm start command. And as we know, whenever we'll just npm start command, we have a new window of our project. That's great. So now I just want to make some changes, like I want to make this window smaller, like 5000 pixels and 500 pixels and 400 pixels. Now whenever I am just saving it, it will not reflect any output changes here, right? So for that, what I need to just close it and need to just start our npm again, and then we can just see the changes, right? So this is a basically time consuming process. So let's say we are working on our main process and we are just debugging something or writing new code, then every time we have to just stop the execution for npm and run it again. So this is really a time consuming process. To resolve this problem, what we can do here, we can just install a package which is Node Moon, npm install, and just simply write here Node Moon, right, and hit enter. So whenever we will install it, it have the capability to just check the changes. Whenever we will anything save our code inside the main process, then it will detect and it will automatically reload the code, right? So now let's see how it's work. As you know, this is installed now, and now let's just jump on index.json files and write one more command. So let's say my command name is watch. You can write any command like xyz, restart, reload, whatever you want. I'm just putting here watch because this is look like some standard, right? And now just write here Node Moon hyphen exec, and just write here electron dot, right? And this is basically a same command, electron.js, electron dot, which is we just added with the start command. But with the watch command, we can also just add here node -- execute, and now just simply run here npm run watch. And if you just write here any other command, so you can just write here npm run and your command name, and now you can see that we have a small window. And just try to change some thing inside main process. So let's say just write some update the width and height of the window like this, and whenever you did it, now you can see that the changes are automatically reflects here, right? So with that way, we can save a lots of time whenever we are working with the main process. So that's why we can use Node Moon for reload the main process. So how we can reload the render process, if you know, then that's great. Otherwise, I just want to tell you, we don't need to write here for any other package like Node Moon for it. You can just simply add here some text like reload. For a moment, you don't have any update here, right? But you can just update it by reload from here menus, or you can just simply put here Control R. Both thing can reload your render process, so you don't need to add any external package for it. And thanks for watching this video. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box, and please do subscribe my channel. Bye bye, God bless you.